You're watching How Leap. Let's enable auto delete for the trash on your Mac. Open the Finder and click Finder in the menu bar, then select Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Look for a checkbox that says Remove items from the trash after 30 days. Check this box. Once enabled, any item you move to the trash will be permanently deleted automatically after 30 days. There is no built-in option to set a different time period. It is fixed at 30 days. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box. For immediate permanent deletion, you can skip the trash by selecting a file and pressing Option Command Delete, or right-click and hold the Option key to see Delete immediately. Remember to empty the trash manually anytime by right-clicking the trash icon in the dock and selecting Empty Trash. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.